today we're at 1323 East High Street, apartment 305. When you first walk in, you have a closet right behind, coat, shoes, umbrellas, all the good stuff. Then we have an oversized living room. To our left, you do have a separate room for a dining room table. And we have the kitchen, plenty of cabinet space. We go back out into the living room. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Got a spacious 1-bedroom. Then the bathroom is in the middle. Again, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. It's at 1323 East High Street in Elizabethtown.